Hello and welcome to Algebra Talks. I'm sitting here with lecturer at Graduate Professional Study Program in Software Engineering, Daniel. Daniel, what does the Algebra Graduate Professional Program in Software Engineering offer its students?
Well, you can think of graduate program as a logical extension of the undergraduate one. And while on the undergraduate, we teach the basic concepts of programming, object-oriented and functional paradigms, and we do so in many different technologies. You can think of graduate study as, a push-up. And, the very important thing is that we have the obligatory lectures and we have elective lectures. Obligatory courses actually help our students to deepen the subjects they're actually learning. And the elective ones actually help them to go in the right direction they actually choose. It's very important for us. And also the project approach is, it's a high stake. We actually create environment for our students that they can create the projects that they can actually put in the portfolios to show the future employers.
And what unique skills and knowledge may the students learn during the 2-year study program?
Well, it's a wide variety, but the most important part, as I see it, is that, the programmers of solutions become the architects of solutions. So it's a jump in a way of thinking and actually solving the problems. And it's very important for us that we do the best design principles and the design patterns and the best paradigms that are actually accustomed to the current market. For example, Google in 2019 announced that the Kotlin should be the standard language for Android. So the next thing you know, we changed all our courses to be on Kotlin.
And how did Algebra create its graduate study program in English language?
Well, actually, it is a process, but we have a strong relationship with the industry. And as you see, our lecturers all come from the industry, and our students come from the industry also. And our alumni are actually from the industry. So we created this program actually with a high emphasis on the current fluctuations on the market. So we know what's in, we know what's hot, and we actually provide it.
And what would you say, who is this graduate study program for?
Well, I gotta say it's pretty intense. So you gotta have at least some of the proficient, knowledge about programming. But do not hesitate, because if you are proficient in, web development, then you'll have no problem in advanced mobile course that I hold. Because if you are good at something, then this transition is not so hard.
And which specific jobs on the global labor market does Algebra prepare its students for?
Well, it's a wide variety. You see, our students actually can choose to be programmers, architects, team leaders. But maybe the thing that's very important for us is that, you see, many of our students change their careers during the study. And they actually find their true calling throughout these semesters. So we are very honored to be the part of that process as motivators and advisors.
And what is the situation on the domestic and global labor market when it comes to computer engineering employability?
Well, I think this is rhetorical. The things cannot be better. The top-notch players are hiring, like Google and Amazon and Facebook. Just the other day, our student went to Frankfurt to work for the Amazon. So I must say that our students get much further than we ever did.
And can students work during the study program?
Yes, of course. We also encourage them to, because they all work in the industry. So we are very good listeners. So they can also provide us the feedback regarding this. And it's very good for the employers. The employer that's not actually aware of the fact that the IT industry is constant learning, they're going to vanish from the market.
And do you think this study program is in line with renowned private foreign institutions in the EU, US, or UK?
Yes, definitely. We have this economic council that actually handles this stuff. So they meet and they gather and they actually check the international courses. And we always try to find out the best way to, not to imitate, but to even enhance the programs that we see on the market and on the global
Are there any bonus activities or contents on algebra during the 2-year course?
Well, there are many, but maybe the one important thing to mention is Algebra Lab. You see, the idea is that if you have an idea for an innovative project and you never had the resources, whether it's financial resources or skills or, I don't know, intellectual resources, Algebra Lab is here to provide it for you. And also, in this graduate program, we have a course that's actually a 3-semester course, and it's called Innovative Project, that you actually start with an idea, and you then architecturally present it, then you develop it, and then you can pitch it on the market. So it's the whole process. This is actually how to create a startup. And I think this is the best ever.
Thank you. Thank you for your time. And would you like to invite potential future students to the study program?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. So if you want to get really big, if you want to change or enhance or even boost up your career, well, this is the place to be. We are the hotspot. Remember, if we grow, you grow. And if you grow, we grow. So join us, we'll help you out. See you on the courses.
See you at Algebra in Zagreb.